Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anka and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing another studio vlog. It's been over a month, I think, since I've done one of these, and I thought it was time to mix things up a bit, take a break from art supplies and try to, share more personal stuff. So today is Tuesday. I just got back home from work. If you don't know, I do have a day job as a wallpaper designer, and I work that full time during the week. So all my illustration stuff is dedicated to the weekend. So basically, I will share with you in this vlog what I did over the weekend, which is basically paint pet portraits all day long. If you're wondering why I paint so many pet portraits, it's because it's a benefit I offer to my patrons. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's a platform where you can support artists and illustrators and whoever you like by pledging a certain amount of money per month, and they give you all sorts of cool benefits. So one of the benefits is an original pet portrait you can get. I do have it currently at 2 tiers, but I'm thinking of actually removing it from 1 tier because I did get a comment which kind of upset me and basically told me that my pricing was too low for original illustrations, which I kind of agree with. But since Patreon is a subscription based kind of thing, the fact that I give out once a pet portrait, and considering the fact that I hope that most patrons will be supporting me for a longer time, I don't think it's that low of a price. But I do think I might replace the pet portrait from my $5 tier with something else. I'm not sure what it will be. But anyways, I really want to thank all of my patrons. I'm so excited that we are 31 patrons as of today, which is like a number I never thought I would reach. So thank you so much to everybody. You have been amazing, and I really hope your Patreon gifts arrive to you sooner rather than later. I know the post office is kind of all over the place right now, especially internationally, and they send from Romania. So it might take a while, longer than usual, for them to arrive. But thank you so much to everybody. That's my point. And wow, this is a pretty long intro about nothing, so I'll just let you watch the rest of the vlog. It's mainly packaging stuff and speed painting and a bit of coffee and my cat. So basically your usual studio vlog. But I hope you enjoy it, and as usual, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for watching, and leave your comments down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!